A round of applause, please.
Everybody's got a prize. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the dust comes first, the truth comes like I just stop for a minute. Smile, why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got a shades in your eyes, your head so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. Where did it's your money, money, money? We just gotta with the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Hey, but to change, hey, but yeah. Ba bang, wanna be the world dance. Forget about the price tag. We need to take it back in time. We music with the song unite. And it wasn't low blows in the video host. I'm only one get inside. My service so obsessed. Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and enjoy right now? Great day, we'll be falling all right. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're being with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We need your money, money, money. We just gotta make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Hey, but to change, hey, but yeah. Ba bang, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Yeah, you get the price tag. I need the cash back. Just give me six stream hashtag. And you can don't cost me the garage. And all I yes, and I need the keys and guitars. And guess what? And 30 seconds I'm making Mars. Still living a coast, this undefinable odds. It's like this, man, you can't put a price on the life. We do this for the love, so we fight and sacrifice 7 minutes. So get this level on fall, never. We do this a sign of defeat. So skip, I will move on your feet. So bring back the beat, and everyone sings. Not about the money, money, money. We don't need money, money, money. We just wanna with the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Hey, but to change, hey, but yeah. Ba bang, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need money, money, money. We just wanna with the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Hey, but to change, hey, but yeah. Ba bang, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Yeah, yeah. Forget about price tag, yeah. Thank you.
Wow, that was a great performance. Thank you. So up next is a piano performance by Hansel Montolo of SM City Cebu branch, and he will perform Stay. A round of applause, please.
All along it was a fever, a cold sweat I had a believer. I threw my hands in the air, said, show me something. He said, if you dare come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know.
to feel about it. It's something in the way you moved. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. And it takes me out of way. I want you to stay. Hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold on. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see a light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you moved makes me feel like I can't live without you. And it takes me out of way. I want you to stay.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss Hansel Montolo. Up next is a piano performance by Cassandra May Arsenal from SM Salonga branch, performing Ballad for Adeline. A round of applause, please. Thank you for that dramatic performance, Miss Cassandra Mary Arsenal. Up next is a song solo performance by Mary Amy Omolon from SM Salonga branch. She will perform Hurt. A round of applause, please.
If only I knew what I know today. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wanna do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. In the past, by hurting you. Some days I feel broke inside, but I wanna live. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's your name. You know it's hard to say goodbye when it comes to this. Ooh, would you tell me I was wrong? Would you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wanna do to have just one more chance to look into your eyes and see you look at me. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more chance, I would tell you how much that I missed it, that you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. So would have lied to try and turn me I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you.
Wow. Wow, what a emotional performance, Miss Mary Amy Omolon. Up next is a song solo performance by Julia Isabel Monterroyo from SM Salonga branch performing Skyscraper.
Crying, I am watching, catching teardrops in my hands. Only silence as it's ending. Never had a chance. Do you have to make me feel like
Wow, what a powerful voice, Miss Juliana Isabel Monteroyo. Up next is a song solo performance by Neil Jan Perlino from SM Salonga branch, performing Faithfully by Journey. A round of applause, please. Full song. Up next is a band performance by with the vocal, Miss Darian Cabornay on guitar, Claudine Inanoria, bass guitar, Cole Linish Inanoria, and on drums, teacher Kimi Salazar, performing That's What You Get.
When you were here, 'cause I burned every bitch I ever missed. When you were here, I still try holding on to silly things I never learned on why. All the things that you will need, sure you've heard. That's what you get when you let your heart away. That's what you get when you let your heart away. I can't just trust myself with the sound of its beating. And that's what you get when you let your heart away. Hey, make your way to me, to me. And I always be just so inviting if I ever start to think straight this heart started right in me. Let's start, hey, why we like to hurt so much? No, why do we like to hurt so much? That's what you get when you let your heart win. That's what you get when you let your heart win. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Now I can trust myself with anything but this. That's what you get when you let your heart win.
Wow.
Peace out.
Wow, that was an energetic performance. Thank you so much. Up next is a song solo performance by Ella Joey Centeno from SM Salonga branch, performing Over You. A round of applause, please.
The day I first met you, you told me you never fall in love. But now that I get you, I know fear ain't what it really was. Now here we are. when your lips are on my lips, and our heart is beat as one, but you slip out my fingertips every time you run. Whoa, whoa, don't wanna break your heart, wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared, drunk, like you might make a mistake. There's just one life to live, and there's no time to wait, to wait. So let me give your heart a break, 'cause you've been hurt before. I can see it in your eyes, you try to smile it away. Sometimes you can't disguise. I wanna break your heart, maybe it's the ache, the ache. So let me give your heart a break, heart break. Give your heart break, heart break. Oh, much you can take, heart break. Give your heart break, heart break. Oh yeah, yeah. The day I first met you, you told me you never fall in love.
Wow, thank you, Miss Ella Joey Centeno. Sorry for the mistake. That song was entitled Give Your Heart a Break. And now up next is a song solo performance by Regina Imperio, performing Over You. A round of applause, please.
Well, the man said it's gonna snow. By now I should be used to the cold. Mid-February shouldn't be so scary. It was only December. I still remember the presents, the tree, you and me. But you went away. How dare you? I miss you. Ooh, they say I'll be okay, but I'm not going to ever get over you. Living alone here in this place, I think of you, and I'm not afraid. Your favorite records make me feel better, 'cause you sing along with every song. I know you didn't mean to give them to me. But you went away. How dare you? I miss you. Ooh, they say I'll be okay, but I'm not going to ever get over you. It really sinks in, you know, when I see it in stone. But you went away. How dare you? I miss you. Ooh, they say I'll be okay, but I'm not going to
thank you, Miss Regina Imperio, for that wonderful song. Up next is a group performance by Kay Caniete, Michelle Alquilios, Sharina Uy, and Jana Ray Nabua performing Titanium, Someone Like You, Set the Fire to the Rain medley. A round of applause, please. A round of applause, please.
Shout it loud, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who'll have further to fall. Ghost town and haunted love. Raise your voice, and sticks and stones may break my bones. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am
Sorry. Nakoy to. Oh, kanya na tusa to. Magaling ko na ang kanto. Ngayon, mabalik naman sila kuman. Langga, can I have the mic? Wow.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Yes, she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face, that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I'll beg, I'll remember. to turn up out of the blue, uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you'd see my face, that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I'll beg, I'll remember you said. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah, nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste?
My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. You start, and now it's over until you kiss my lips and you save me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say that were never true, never true. In the games you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When laying with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true, never true. In the games you play, you would always and always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. Where I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up out the door. Now that you're gone, must be waiting for you. Even now, when it's already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I die, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
Wow, thank you so much for that girl power performance. Up next is a band performance on vocal and guitar, Miss Leia Marie Bacolod. On lead guitar, Miss Krishna Almeida. On bass guitar, teacher Alan Bragat. And on drums, teacher Francis Anthony Ibanez, performing I Caught Myself and When It Rains. A round of applause, please. Once again, a round of applause, please.
And when
Thank you so much.
Down to you, you're pushing and pulling me down to you, but I don't know what I. Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought. Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought of you. For you, you're pushing and pulling me down to you, but I don't know what I want. No, I don't know what I want. You got it, some kind of magic, hypnotic, hypnotic. You're leaving me breathless. I hate this. You're not the one I believe in. With God as my witness. Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought. Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought of you. For you, you're pushing and pulling me down to you, but I don't know what I want. No, I don't know what I want. Don't know what I want, but I know it's not you. Keep pushing and pulling me down, but I know in my heart it's not Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought. Now when I cut myself, I had to stop myself from saying something that I should have never thought of you. I know, and my heart is not you. I know, but now I know what I want. Oh no, I should have never thought.
Wow, thank you very much for the wonderful performance. That was very energetic. Up next is a piano performance by Reese Carmel Brigley from SM Branch, performing Song for Anna. A round of applause, please. Thank you, Miss Reese Carmel Brigoli, for that wonderful piano play. Up next is a violin performance from Princess Barote, Mary Therese Estrella, Glyke Cañete, and teacher Carl May, performing 1,000 Years. A round of applause, please.
Colors and promises. Wanna be brave. How can I love when I fail to fall? Watch you stand by. All my doubt suddenly goes away.
Wow. Thank you, girls. Nice job. Up next is a band performance. Wow, that was a soulful presentation. Up next is a band performance by, on vocal, Joannis Gabriel Castillo. On guitar, teacher John Ponce Chu. On bass guitar, teacher Alan Bragat. On drums, Nelson Rosales. And on keyboard, teacher Sherwin Inanoya from SM Branch.